Hi, Mr. X with glossary term correlation. It's a term for statistics. Quite often we designate it with an R, a small case r. And here r may be approximately negative point, let's say 98, because that's very strong negative correlation. The points line up pretty well and it's a negative slope. As one variable increases, the other variable decreases. So we would say strongly negative. Here they line up pretty well, and I'm going to say that we have a positive 0.97. They line up really well, close to a line, so this would be strongly positive. As one variable increases, so does the other. As one variable gets bigger, the other variable gets bigger. Now, because these plots in the scatter plot are all over the road, how are you going to draw a line through those guys? Well, it'd have to look like spaghetti. No correlation. So whether this was 0.02 or negative 0.02, is it more negative than positive? Well, it's hard to tell because it's so all over the road. So there's no correlation. So here's what you need to know about our number R for correlation. If the data in our scatter plot line up, it's either going to be, if they line up perfectly, it's either a -1 or a +1. And if they line up almost perfectly, well, then it's not quite a -1 for negative slope, or not quite a +1 for a positive slope. And if they don't line up at all, you get something close to 0. So all of our correlation R factors will be between -1 and 1. Mr. X, mentor of mathematics, taking the mystery out of math at mrxmath.com.